Today, we're going to learn the names of the different proteins that we can use to have our food. The first one we will look at today is aqua. Aqua, it means egg. The next we'll talk about today is azu. Azu means fish. The next we'll talk about today would be anu. Anu actually means meat in general, okay? But now if you want to specify exactly what kind of meat it is, you can say Enyinna-Okoro, chicken meat. Say it with me, Enyinna-Okoro, chicken meat. Good. You can also say Ewu, goat meat. Ewu, goat meat. You can say Ezi, pork. Ezi, pork. You can also say Efi, beef. Efi, beef. What other proteins do you know? And how can you say their names in Igbo? Write it in the comment section. Let me know that you actually have your Igbo game up. Ahambo Oriako Princess Enyinna-Okoro. Nke si na Igbo dị mma ebe anyị na-akụziri ụmụaka na ndị ka na-ebido asụsụ Igbo ka ha ghọta ya. Aga m ahụ unu mgbe ọzọ. Ka ọ dị.